Hello everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we've got another Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra available, and this particular one is a 2025 August registered, and so it lands it nice and easy for the IVA test, because it's be over 6 months old obviously when it arrives in the UK. So that means we can apply for the IVA test while the car is actually in transit at sea. The IVA test is currently delaying the registration process of the cars, basically because of the volume of IVA tests going into the DVSA. But anyhow, what I provide is the opportunity for individuals to buy these cars direct from Japan. This car is currently in the Tokyo area of Japan and ready for purchase and for personal import into the UK. And in doing so, you end up with a vehicle with delivery mileage, direct, you might say from the factory to this location where it is now. And my customers will save in the region of a minimum of £5,000 on the UK retail value of the car. £5,000. So as you can see, it's been fitted with a hard cover over the spare wheel at the back. It's got mud flaps that have been fitted all around. You'll also notice it's got the monsoon visors over the door windows, so you can open the doors without the rain pouring in. It's got overmats been put in there. All these are optional extras I'm mentioning now. So this vehicle comes all that included. So the car is now available for purchase in Japan and export into the UK. Now the FOB price, free on board, is the cost of the car loaded on the ship in Japan as the ship sails away from the Japanese port. Now that will come to approximately 2/3 of the total cost. You're looking at around 14,000 something like that, and then the balance is paid when the ship arrives at the port of Southampton. That's when you pay the import taxes. There's no duty on this vehicle. The duties came to zero back in February this year. So there's no duty to pay on the vehicle. It's just VAT. And so basically, this car should come on to the road in, well, under 23, about 22,000 something. There's about 22,007. The price will be there written down in the advert in any case, for the guide, because it's all subject to fluctuating currency exchange rates on the Japanese yen. However, currently the pound is very strong against the yen. The yen is suffering. It's very weak at the moment, the Japanese yen. So this represents a very good buy. As you can see, it's a brand new car, and delivery mileage. So if anybody is interested to learn more about this, all you have to do is pick up the phone and give me a call. My name's Paul, and I'll be more than happy to try and answer any questions you've got. We've been providing this service for the past 22 years, supplying thousands of vehicles to the four corners of the United Kingdom, all direct from Japan. And so just like this vehicle, I mean, if you don't particularly want a grey one, we could probably search for one with a different colour. The problem is when somebody asks for a manual in a different colour, if they come on and say I want a khaki green manual, my eyes tend to roll. I go, oh well, how long are we going to wait until we see a manual? Because the manuals, like 1 in 75 will be a manual. But so to find one in a particular colour in a manual, now it becomes a lottery ticket. So there it is. If you're interested in this vehicle, get in contact with me. My name's Paul. Speak to you soon. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Jap Auto Agent. We are a UK-based personal car import agency. We provide our customers with the opportunity to buy cars direct from the Japanese auctions at the trade export price. My customers are guaranteed large savings on selected, cherry-picked vehicles direct from the fountain of supply, which is the Japanese car auctions. The process is quite simple. My customers appoint me as their agent. Once you've completed the agency form and put the deposit in place, that starts the process. Your details will also be sent out to our buyers in Japan. There's not just myself searching for these cars. We've got a small team of people out in Japan looking for the vehicles that we want to supply to our customers. As you can see here, I've got 2 Suzuki Jimnys. So my customers will save a minimum of £5,000 on both of these vehicles, and I mean a minimum. You can't buy them cheaper. And if anybody wishes to know more about this process, feel free to get in contact with me by telephone or even email. We supply all the makes and models. If the car is in that auction, then I can supply it. It's as simple as that.